the K20 right now, on our way to the meet.
Saw it.
What's going on? Shit should be lit, so we'll see you there.
We're at the meet right now. Just got here. Ridiculous lineup.
This is what I'm about right here. Wow, this is so fucking clean. This is nicer than that was.
This shit is sick.
Do you know what's going on here? Because I have no clue. I do not know rotary, but I just know for a turbo there, and underneath inside.
Yeah, 4 turbos.
It's a quadruple turbo setup.
Yeah.
I think he's running Invisalign invisible spray to hide the turbos.
Oh shit,
good.
yeah. So cool.
Rotary Experiment 7 right there, just chilling. So clean and cool. What is
This was a little Dodge. This was a little Chrysler and Shelby partnership in the 80s. This is actually cool, dude.
Is it a 5-speed?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's it first? Oh, there's
Yeah, I don't know if you knew, but Chrysler and Shelby had a little partnership.
Yeah,
like Carroll Shelby's the one who designed the Viper. Yeah.
Out in that rush, you know, and I see my own white shadows and tattoo clothes, right with a bad diagnose, don't feel no stupid, weird, full of motherfuck boys, cashing in sad boys out in Europe, sipping crystal. I'm smoking loud with my lost boys, so this money don't make me sad though. Rubber band to my pants, bro, don't close your eyes and lean back though.
Nationals, over for the Nationals, oh my god. Get some of that, get in on some of that. That's over for the Nationals right there. What do you do? Alright, so
Okay, truck.
one out of the meet right now. We're gonna see what people think of it. How you feel, Hunter? What do you feel about the meet?
Man.
I think it was pretty. It was a decent meet. Nothing crazy, but like, yeah, some cool shit, yeah. All the most packed way, of course, you leave. That was that's what it's fucking doing right now. Oh my god. What the hell? What the hell's going on right now? Alright, so we made some redneck friends at the meet. And we're cruising up with them right now. Woo! Yeah, let's do a pull with this guy. So we just hit 100 right there with that pull.
That's exactly what they're gonna do. They are
Shit's ridiculous.
best possible
This
deal
was a
on
good
any
time.
new Dodge Chrysler.
What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
I'm Ivan.
Get ready.
Sweating, Ivan.
Why are you sweating, Ivan?
Ivan?
Well, you know, I got a camera in my face.
Yeah.
Fucking back up.
Oh,
Fucking get away. Fucking fuck the press, bro.
Hey! Yo, Kyle. Yo.